Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, Places of Miami. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the button right now and
the bell.
And the bell, yeah, the bell. I always forget the bell, but it's so important because if you don't hit it, you won't be notified when we post something new. So do that.
Yes, and feel free to leave your comments and likes as you watch the video. In fact, you can even already do it now.
This is Lana and my name is Mila, and we exploring Miami and Miami places. And if we come across any unique places, we like to share with you. So thank you for coming on our journey.
The information that you will find on our channel is the information that we see and share based on our experience. It's kind of, just
from heart to heart.
From heart to heart. Thanks for help.
You're welcome.
Like that.
Yeah, heart to heart.
As if you were to ask a friend, and
as we are your friends, as we are, pretend that we're friends, okay?
Because we want to be your friends.
So this place, what catches my attention and makes it so unique from other places is the wall of books, or the walls of books.
Yeah.
I think it's so cool, like so creative, so awesome, and
everything, the way it's designed, it has like from the lamp, from the ceiling.
Lana's favorite place is
bathroom. Yeah, we're not gonna tell you.
No, yes, we will. What do you mean? That's what we do. We tell them how everything is.
I thought it would be a surprise. We'll show it to you.
That's what we do. We spoil the surprises.
I know we do.
Well, you can always create your own surprise. True.
The other thing that I like about this place, when you walk in, you can't really tell like what it's all about. Mm-hmm. It has this really, really cool hallway where you're sort of like still in the unknown.
Yeah.
But when you hit that entrance, it's like, whoa. It blew my mind when I first entered. I was like, wow, I totally didn't expect that. Really, really cool. Go ahead and say your point because you can't wait.
My point. Oh my God.
What are you doing?
My point is they have a bunch of antique crazy stuff. So I think this used to be a iron that you put like coal inside and you iron your clothes. So that's why back in the days people were so healthy, because this thing is like 25 pounds. By the time you're done ironing one dress, you're like fit.
For real.
And they have all these old record playing records, except I think they're empty. Oh, some are empty, some are not. Anyways, it's just filled with old antique stuff and it's very creative. So I feel a little connected to this place because I'll explain why. My sister, she loves to throw everything away. And I see it always as like, oh my gosh, don't throw it away. Because I see like an art in it. And when I got to this place, they use like old doors, old windows to create like this artsy feel and
broken bottles.
Yes, that's why I'm like, yes, that's how I always envision. Like you can recycle those things. And yeah, I'm not a hoarder. No, but I just see like a second life after death,
Oh, nice.
Not of people, but of things.
What about people?
Anyways. Okay. Coffee. You want to talk about the coffee?
Yes. The ones that I've tried, I enjoyed it. It's really good. Very unique. They have the pour over, I believe. They have
my favorite. Can I share my favorite?
I think I know. Is it the ice? No?
The cold brew.
Cold brew. Yes.
Cold brew is actually really good. I'm not like into like that, but I've tried it and it was great. So
I hear they have pastries here.
Oh,
however,
We even tried
we
once.
tried one, yeah.
Yeah,
I
and
was
we were
gonna say,
like,
however,
it's so good. Let's go get another one, and we come and they're out of them.
Yeah,
So
because they run out of them very quickly. So if you want some, come earlier.
yeah,
But if you just want
or
coffee,
bring your own.
for real.
That was too much sun.
Bring dinner and just enjoy the view and atmosphere because it's incredible here.
Another cool thing,
Yes.
the studio.
Oh yeah, studio. You can rent it out. Oh my goodness. I mean, they rent it out to you, but
And you know what? The coolest thing is the door. It looks like a wall. We'll show you, right? It
Of
looks like a
course.
wall, and there is a door of
secret door.
secret door that has like a bunch of books, and they're just like moving.
Just like that.
And inside, huge, amazing studio, so you can rent it and do like a
parties.
photography.
Or party.
Yeah, anything.
Record music because they have like a music studio.
Yeah, soon we're gonna record our music videos. I'll be dancing, you'll be singing.
Oh God.
Well, if I'll be singing, you know what's gonna happen.
Okay.
Oh. All right. And another door. They have a lot of doors.
They do. Oh my goodness, I love the garage door.
Yeah.
To the railroad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It's made out of glass, so you receive a lot of daylight. But sometimes, if it's good weather, they even open it, and it's just like a whole another field. Like
and then you can watch trains pass
Yes.
by, which they hardly ever pass by, but they do pass by because I've seen it.
yeah. So it's, I feel like this place is just condensed with creativity, with good coffee, which is pretty important.
Yeah.
And just like very chill atmosphere, calm, chill. Oh, don't they have like after 6 or 7, like it's like turns
They
into a
used to-
little
they
club
u-
or something?
No, yeah, they used to have like it was like but last time we asked, they said they weren't. Oh, they didn't have it available
Anyways,
because
of
COVID.
quarantine, it's like
Yeah.
going nuts and going crazy.
But the first time I came here after 7 o'clock, they pull the huge screen, turn music on. They serve alcohol for those that love alcohol.
Yeah.
Nobody was drinking, but it was just like fun. It was like
Yeah.
very like it was a fun atmosphere. There wasn't that many of us here, so we just had a private tour, and it was really cool. We really enjoyed it. That's where I've learned more about the place.
Yeah, she just disconnected me from her experience, just saying that's where
But then I brought Mila.
yeah, she
along.
introduced me. Oh, another cool thing. Well, I was like, oh my gosh, cool surprise. But what caught my attention more, because I'm into shopping.
Oh.
Yeah, you haven't noticed, I know. They even sell clothes. Can you believe it? Like cute shirts and hats, caps,
Apparel, yeah.
and like hoodies or something, right?
Yeah. Something.
I haven't got any yet because I'm waiting for the sponsorship to arrive.
For the
Oh my
millionaire.
gosh! Too much sun today, so too much jokes. Please forgive me. It's not the alcohol. It's not. It's probably absence of coffee and too much sun.
We haven't gotten any coffee yet, but we're
Yeah.
on our way. We decided to do this video for you first.
Yes.
That's how important you are.
Yes, and I'll show you. This is the actually entrance. So this is the hello sign that Lana was talking about, and this is where we sat. We like no shame, just walk through here, sit over there. That thing was open. Lana, can you show us how it was before?
Of course. Wait.
If you move your phone, you might still have it. Yeah. So
Take a look. Look
That's
at this
how it
record
was.
player. Amazing.
Yeah.
We're just sitting on it. Don't tell anyone.
and maybe we can do a live tour.
Let's
Look.
go.
This is the corridor that Lana was talking about. You see how like it's so long
Hey,
and
hold on, hold on.
spooky,
Let me grab
and
my
you have no
backpack.
idea what's going on, but you still keep on walking and walking and walking, and then you see all this shopping. Yay! Cool, huh? That's the secret door. And that's the secret wall. Okay, I'll stop right now.
As we always mention, parking is important, and this place has parking. In fact, you can probably see it. It's right behind us. It's free. There's no charge. So as long as there's parking, so far every time I came here there was parking available. So it's really beautiful painted murals.
right there.
Unique, different.
So cool. It's in Fort Lauderdale, so if you are in the area, you should definitely check this place out. And
It's even worth a drive if you in Miami or other, like down south. It's
Miami,
worth a drive.
it's all Miami, girl.
A little north.
Yes. And anything else we wanted to share about this amazing place?
Just come and check it out.
Yes.
And give us a shout out. Let us know when you're here.
Yes. If we recommend, you should check it out. You won't regret it. And if you
Right.
will,
Let us know.
let us know. We're gonna do something
We're gonna
about
go
it.
talk to people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you for coming along. And if you haven't subscribed yet,
Please do so.
yeah.
There's a subscribe button right below.
Where?
Wait.
Oh, that's the button. So hit the button. Thanks for coming along, and we shall see you in the next video. Another week, another video. You like our motto?
Yeah,
Yes.
I love it.
Okay.
I don't know about you.
Love you.